ادریسی, Minister Counselor of the Embassy of the Kingdom of Maraco in China, said that he was impressed by the development of China's big data industry. Erdős is on a tour in China's Guizhou province, joined by more than 20 ambassadors and diplomats from 19 countries, including Fiji, Colombia, and Cyprus from June the 3rd to the 7th. After seeing several heavyweight enterprises in the big data sector, including Tencent and Alibaba, attracted to the province, Erdős praised an online freight service platform that helps connect truck drivers, shippers, as well as goods owners and allows each side to get real-time information.
We had an opportunity to see how much of a hub this region has become, and I believe that it is known as a pioneer in digital transformation here in China. So you have machinery that is directly linked to satellites, so unmanned agricultural machinery, that is something that is of extreme value. And in my countries, I think that we can learn more from your improvements to attend this wonderful visit here in Guizhou. I must say that I was truly impressed by the entire trip. I think the fact that China is fast improving can only be beneficial not only to Chinese people but also to the rest of the countries that have close links with China.
Often dubbed China's big data hub, the mountainous province of Guizhou is China's first national big data comprehensive pilot zone. It promotes the big data industry as the backbone of its high-quality social and economic development.